Alright, so today we installed Catless downpipes. We were supposed to have a lift, but that fell through. So we got Ethan wrenching down here. Say what's up, Ethan. What's up? Little N54 throwback. I know y'all are asking for N54 content.
Low IQ gang.
Yeah, she's about to sound good. The exhaust setup right now, muffler delete, secondary cats.
Tiny ass tips.
And then, yeah, tiny ass tips.
Big ass tip over here.
Yeah, do you Ethan's car? E92. Wait, E92.335 on Instagram. Yeah.
Stage 1 Plus as of right now. Just put the downpipes on. Got the AFE cold air intake. R Motorsport 7-inch intercooler.
Which was, you had to cut a bunch of plastic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of cutting.
But she fits. Yeah.
Other than that,
Then now the downpipes.
now the downpipes.
Holding off for stage 2 because needs tires and some other things before that. But for right now, it's gonna do. It'll be quick enough, so. And back to downpipes. Pretty loud.
She's loud.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Man, I wish it was warm so I could start ripping it now.
Dude, it sounds good. Yeah. I can feel it a little bit under on here. Yeah. But it's not like bad. I can just feel it a little bit.
I'll have to ride with you, but let's figure that out.
Yeah, it's not good.
Yeah, how loud is it?
Not very.
So does it sound like I'm tapping on your body panel, or does it sound like I'm slapping your body panel?
I think you're tapping on it.
Okay.
Notice the car drives a little weird now. So, I think it kind of sways. It's on its planet.
Yo, Cam got his car back on the road. Are you pumped or what, dude? Yeah. Hell yeah. Woo! Dude, your fitment is insane.
In the rear is better if it's just like a little bit more aggressive.
You said you haven't done it since college?
Probably 35 years ago.
Holy crap. That's a while.